heard Mr. J.B. Pradhan, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. D.K. Sivakti for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S.K. Chetri, Learned Assistant Public Prosecutor for the respondent. By this petition under Section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 for short, the CRPC, the petitioners plea for quashing of criminal proceedings in GR case number 25 of 2019. Under Section 324 IPC pending in the Court of Learned Judicial Magistrate, Jorethang Subdivision, South Sikkim, Jorethang. The petitioner number 2, who is the father of petitioner number 3, had filed an FIR on 18/11/2018 before the station house officer Meli Police Station, starting that on that day at around 4:30 p.m. when his son, that is petitioner number 3, was in his vehicle at a place called Roktara. He was attacked by petitioner number 1 with a kukri, causing cut injury on his left back, shoulder and right hand. On the basis of the said FIR, Muli Police Station case number 37 2018 under Section 326 IPC was registered against petitioner number 1. Corresponding to the said Mili Police Station case number 37 2018, GR case number 25 of 2019 was registered in the Court of Judicial Magistrate, Jorethang Subdivision, South Sikkim, Jorethang. After completion of investigation, charge sheet under Section 324 IPC was filed on 22/2/2019. Subsequently, charge under Section 324 IPC was framed against petitioner number 1. Till date, no witnesses have been examined on behalf of the prosecution. It is at this stage the present petition is filed before this court, drawing attention of the court to a Milapatra dated 10/12/2018. Mr. Pradhan submits that the parties, who are co-villagers, had amicably settled their dispute, and when the injury suffered by petitioner number 3 was simple in nature, it will not be in the furtherance of justice to continue with the proceedings. He has also drawn the attention of the court to a deed of compromise dated 15/11/2019. Mr. Chetri, Learned Assistant Public Prosecutor, submits that in view of the compromise arrived at in between the parties, no fruitful purpose will be served in continuing with the case and ends of justice. Demand that the proceedings in the GR case number 25 of 2019 be closed. I have considered the submissions of the Learned Counsel appearing for the parties and have perused the materials on record. A perusal of the Milapatra goes to show that signatories of the said Milapatra are the petitioner number 2, petitioner number 3 and the wife of petitioner number 3. By the said Milapatra signatories declared that they had no complaint or grievance against petitioner number 1 and that the case against him should be closed. The deed of compromise dated 15/11/2019 was entered into by the present petitioners herein. It appears from the said deed of compromise that petitioner number 1 had expressed his regret for the incident, and petitioner number 2 and 3 had also decided to close the matter once for all, as they are co-villagers and have family relations. This court wanted to produce the injury report, which was not enclosed with the petition, and subsequently the petitioners have brought the same on record by filing IA number 01 of 2019. A perusal of the said injury report goes to show that the doctor had opined on the basis of external examination that the nature of injury is simple. If you have liked the video, hit the like button and consider subscribing.